Hello everyone, today we're reviewing the OTE smoothie blender. Great for making smoothies and shakes and much more. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get in the box, and go from there. Alright, looks like they give you some ring seals. I believe they're probably spares. As always, make sure you wash everything first. So this is your glass, and yes, that's right, it's glass. Goes up to 400 ml max. Easy cleaning. Before you use it, make sure you wash everything out. We're going to be making a HMR shake. Place it in, turn it, press up. I love the old-fashioned style. It blends great with our countertop. It is a 3-prong outlet, so it is not cordless, it is not wireless. We're going to go ahead and clean everything before we first use it. Okay, here we have water, milk, ice, and now we're going to go ahead and put in our protein shake here. Alright, let's grab one that's already open. It's not really a full protein shake. It's kind of like a meal replacement shake, so I wouldn't actually say protein. But these are amazing. Helped lost a lot of weight with this, for those who are just curious. Okay, now we go ahead and we place the lid on. And there we go. We just let it be for a little bit. Looks like it has an auto off feature. Maybe. Interesting. Well, okay. That's odd. We have it on. So you put it right there. You twist it on. We got power. There we go. That was strange. We had to unplug the power and then plug it back in for it to work. That was a little interesting. Okay, so then it doesn't work until you unplug it and plug it back in. Yeah. Interesting. Well, anyway, so if you guys have a problem, just unplug it and plug it back in. And there we go.